Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Blue Hub. And hopefully, you are enjoying a happy weekend. And today, I'm gonna show you our next week gold analysis. That means news analysis. Okay, as you can see there, I already write in here XAUUSD news, and that means we are going to uh, analyze the news for the upcoming week. And here you can see here is positive and negative news. That means I am going to analyze positive and negative news individually or separately, and this is a new window for everyone. Maybe you may notice that, and we just integrated that page on our news analysis to make news analyze easier. Okay, so let me remove all of them. So there is two things comes in the news session or during the news session. One of them news come with positive data, that means positive news, positive data like this, and the one is negative news, that means negative data comes with that like that data. Okay, so if you read our short line here, that means positive news means it comes with positive data like green 0.5%, green 245k. Okay, and it indicates sell for gold. That means if USD news comes with positive data, that means green data, there is sell for gold, and the different one is for negative news. And if news come with negative data, that means red with red data indicates buy for gold. Sorry, there is no sell, this is buy. Okay, typo mistake over here, that means buy for gold. Okay, and you may think if USD news come positive, positive means buy, negative means sell. Why this is opponent or opposite thing happening? So I have already explained our last week news analysis. In our last week news analysis, that means gold value or gold price is always constant, and currency value like USD, JPY, Euro value always ups and downable. That means this is variable. Okay, it that means if you think about your local currency with USD or with gold, you can notice that always it's go up or down. Maybe it's like suppose 1 bar of gold price 2000 bucks, but sometimes if you are living in United States, that means America, you may notice that, or if you live in India or Pakistan, you may notice that always gold price ups and down. That means it vary. What is that fundamental, or if you think basic thing here, what is fundamental over here? We just see over here our gold price ups and down, but gold price is always constant. That means gold price never changeable, but your currency getting weaker and is stronger. That's why you think gold price up, gold price down. If we think this one is constant value, and if we think United States dollar is variable, so if United States dollar get it strength, that means suppose United States power is 100 plus 1, that means 101 United States dollar power. Okay, POWER, it is in United States dollar power. So 101 here, when it was 1100, sorry, 100, so we can buy 1 bar of gold. Okay, 1 bar of gold. When it come with 1001, we can buy 1.00001 bar of gold. Okay, that means if data come positive or if USD get value, then gold price decreasing slightly. Okay, that means if something happened with USD, opponent thing, that means opponent thing will happen on gold. Okay, same case in the opponent scenario. If United States dollar lose 100 minus 1, that means minus 1 strength, that means 99 strength over here, we will get for the negative value 99.000 9, suppose that one. That means there is the opponent thing. Okay, so if we remove all of them, hopefully you understand the basic thing or fundamental thing. Let's get the real-time chart or real-time data to analyze. Okay, so let me scroll down a little bit more. As you can see there, I just took a screenshot from forexfactory.com, and there is full weeks data from the red, from the major, and okay, from the major, and another one is orange, and red one means is BBI, very very important, and this ones means LBBI. That means this is also very very important, but low very very important. Okay, so as you can see, the Monday there is two news: Empire State Manufacturing Index, and another one is Fed Chair Power specs. So if news come with green data, suppose this is green, maybe green is over here, let me select green. If news come with this green data, that means this news comes with here plus 45%. So what we will do, if it come with green data, we will sell gold, as I told you before. Okay, or if news comes with red data, let me remove them, like 4.9%. okay, then we will buy gold. Okay, same theory. Okay, same theory will happen all of USD news. And if we can see over here, same theory here will happen same, there will happen same, there will same. Okay, the same thing, but just you need to understand the basic theory. And overall the video summary is, if data come with negative value, that means red data, like 2 to 9k, that means with the red we will buy gold. And if data come with green, suppose this one is green, okay, green, so 2 to 9k, if that is happen, we will take buy, and in this case we will take sell, and for negative data we will take buy. Hopefully you understand the overall thing or overall scenario. So let me remove all of them, and if we see what is on the news page, or what kind of news coming up in upcoming days. So we have Monday, we have a two news. We have to buy early on this two session, because news time market sudden ups or down, so we have to be careful. And in the Tuesday we have a same time two news. Okay, two news at the same time. And in the Wednesday we have 1 2 3 times 3 news. Okay, we have be alert on 3 times here. And the Thursday finally here is 1 news, 2 news, same time we have 1 time be alert with gold red news. And in the Friday we don't have any USD red news over here, so we will expect hopefully market will move sideways. Like suppose this is resistance, this is support, market will move like that. Or this is trend line, market will move that. We'll sell around that zone, buy around that zone, sell around that zone, buy around that zone, sell around that zone, buy around that zone, like that. Okay, so there will a lot of thing for advanced traders, or for advanced who trade on advance. So I will share day by day this all theory, but we just need to learn basic first. Okay, one more word to told, or one more word to say over here. Note here, sometimes there can be exceptional case. That means you may know that when we are in school, when we are on school or college, we learn tense parts of speech. There is a lot of rules. Okay, there is a lot of rules. but there is some exceptional rules, like suppose we know that if something continuously happening at that moment or at present moment, suppose I am watching, let me remove that. I want to show or share another example. Suppose I watch movie. I'm sorry, video is going to very longer, more than 10 minutes. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, are you trying to teach me or teach us grammatical mistake or grammar? No guys, I just want to clear one thing by example on tense or present continuous tense. Maybe I watch movie, okay, but in exceptional case, I watch movie, but I watch movie, that means I watch movie or I see movie, okay, but I watch movie, but if I continue that I watching ing, we can add ing, but I see bird, suppose I see bird, but we can't add ing over here because of gerund. You may know that. Maybe I am wrong or I am right, but there is some exceptional case. My concern, you may know that, or you may understand my concern. If you understand, then I am success to teach you, okay, success to teach you those kind of thing, okay. So lastly, I want to tell one thing. If news come with positive data, like that, we will sell gold. If news comes with negative data, we will buy gold. This is the simple theory. So what you need to do during, you may see that this is forexfactory.com, forexfactory.com. You can go there, you can select the date over here and your time frame from the setting, and you can see what news come with what time. You can see that, okay. And there is option called filter. You can filter only red news, only yellow news, or only non-major news. So I'm sorry if I disturb or if I take much more time to teach a simple thing. I'm sorry for that. And I basically takes big time because of, or long time because of, there are a lot of newbie coming here, so they want to understand how the fundamental theory or how the fundamental concept or how the news trading concept works. So hopefully you guys understand, and if you understand that, simply comment on our YouTube the video description, or you can knock on Telegram to Mr. Boom. You can thanks. So I hope this video will be successfully, or this concept will be successful for Mr. Boom. I will publish another advanced video for you guys, and we have a course also to learn forex, like technical and fundamental things. So if you want to enroll, you can knock our admin on Telegram, or you can visit our website www.forexfxbillionaireHub.com. okay, www.fxbillionaireHub.com. okay, so hopefully all things is clearable now. Mr. Boom signing out.